What's up, guys? Today we're in Spencer, Indiana, and I've got James here from Spencer Trailers, and we were just recently walking his yard, saw this lime green HDT. Tell me a little bit about this lime green HDT and how did it get on your yard?
Hey Cade, this trailer got here because one of our customers in the past decided he wanted to reorder another Diamond Seed trailer. Okay. And of course, he knows he can call us and we're going to help walk him through and build him an awesome trailer. We basically took our customer and took him over to the Diamond Seed's website, walked him through the configurator, and we built this trailer for him.
Awesome. Hey, and I love it. I love this color. This color really stands out from the crowd.
It's awesome.
So tell me a little bit about what are your favorite features on this particular trailer?
On this trailer, my favorite feature is this jack. The hydraulic jack on the front is going to make so much quick work of hooking up and unhooking. It makes it so much easier. If you ever had to sit and crank with something, man, this is worth every penny. It's just going to save you so much time. And this new system here, the Lippert, it's awesome. We've had such good success out of it. It's a no-brainer for me.
That's great. Good. Glad to hear that. And yeah, once you do it once, you don't want to go back from that.
That's right. And another couple features that our customer ordered and I really like is the PopUp Winch system. I'm not sure if those watching have seen this, but if you haven't, check it out. You flip up the switch down here and this winch just pops right up. And you've got a couple bars you can slide out that will keep it from moving forward and back. You also have a nylon rope on this Warrior winch, which is really nice. You don't get that wire in your hands. So that is awesome. And when you get that winch kit package, you also get a bed roller. And that's really important. You can see it right there. Once you tilt it up, it will it'll come on up here. I'll put a little fat on it back here for you.
Well, that hydraulic dampening tilt.
That's right. It doesn't just slam down like a lot of other ones. This one actually has some tension to it. So I like that a lot too. So you can see you've got your winch, you got your roller at the top, so you're able to pull anything you need up this pretty easy. Don't have to worry about it wearing off your paint. I like those features. The customer on this trailer decided to get the best cross membering you offer on this, which is 12 on center. He also decided to get forklift holders underneath it. Another great option. It adds a lot of strength. And he's a lawn service. So he's going to be putting his machines up on here, and you're looking at the blackwood flooring, non-slip surface. Another great option. You know, this isn't just any trailer, this is a quality trailer. And these are a couple features I really like on it.
Awesome. Well, this is great, and I appreciate the time and I appreciate the walk around. If you want to configure your own HDT, go to diamondseed.com.